Alrighty, how are we doing, everyone? We are back with week 22 of GoMining solo mining. Luckily, last week was a nice little surprise. We got some extra GMT here because of, doing some bounty rewards, watching those YouTube videos, and getting some nice referrals. You guys have been helping me out. I appreciate that. Our nice little farm is still sitting at 215 terahash at 20 watts a terahash with a nice little 5.95% discount. Gotta love it. Now, actually, before I move on, I'm just going to quickly go over this. So someone recently commented saying, why don't I hold a bunch of GMT to maintain a 20% discount? So first of all, if we go to the rewards here and we click on our reward settings, if you turn on the setting here that is maintenance and GoMining, this is where you will get up to a 20% discount, but you're also paying for your electricity and your service fees to be paid in GoMining tokens. So by doing that, every day it will be deducting electricity fees. You can see this day it took out 10 for electricity and it took out 3.5 for service fees. So every day it's going to be taking out what you're holding to pay for that, thus lowering your 20% discount down a little bit more. And for me to get a 20% discount at the moment, I would need to be holding 5,285.64 GoMining tokens. But then next, a week goes by, it'll have used like 90 to 100 GoMining tokens just paying for the service fees. So then that's going to go down, and eventually it's just going to go down. But then the other thing is now I've invested even more money because 5,300 GMT is at least $2,500. That's another big investment that, yes, I will get my money back a little bit faster because of the discount and such, but it's just more of an investment up front, especially considering if you buy the GoMining tokens, well, you kind of want to hope price is going to want to stay there, because if we look at the all-time chart for GoMining right now, the previous all-time high was about 46 cents, and then it dipped down to 8 cents, and now it's back up to about 50 cents or so. I don't personally like the way this looks, considering if we do go back into a bear market, if this drops back down, it could drop down to 30 cents, it could drop down to 20 cents, and if you put in $2,500 to buy these GMT tokens, and then all of a sudden it drops 10-20%, well, now you've just lost a good amount of money, and it is going to affect the way things are. So overall, in my opinion, I don't see a point in buying and holding GMT tokens, because you're just adding to your investment continuously, and you're never going to succeed your 100% ROI to then go into profit, because you're just continuously putting more money into it. You know what I mean? So with that out of the way, we're going to move on to our total rewards. Total Bitcoin rewards, 0.03049224 Bitcoin, worth $3,463.64. Of course, we're going to put this into here to see our actual total, and we are just off. Wow, that's not bad. Like 40 cents. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. And now I will talk about this bell curve, but first we're going to talk about our total weekly rewards. For September 16th to September 22nd, we mined a total of 0.0003155 Bitcoin. Now this is up a little bit more because we had this lucky day here. We got that extra GMT because we hit that threshold. Was able to pop in, pay for it. I'm assuming tonight it's going to deduct this GMT from it, pay for my electricity and service fees, and get me that full payment. And from what we can see here, that full payment for this one was $10.99. And I got that full $10.99. So I'm hoping to get another $10 or $11. That'd be great. Works perfectly with me. But we're going to quickly throw this number in to our converter. See exactly what our weekly return was. $35.87. Not bad at all, baby. I still can't wait till I just turn on the compounding, because if I go to reward settings and do reinvest, if I reinvest in a terahash, you get an extra 5% terahash with it. At the moment, that's 0.19 terahash a day. I looked at this like a month ago, and it said 0.24 terahash a day, but price of terahash is going up. Obviously, it's just the way it is. Price of Bitcoin goes up, but just watching this compound day after day after day after day after day after day. Oh my God, we had 1,000 terahash and then 5,000 terahash in no time. But first, obviously, well, actually, I'm going to quickly turn that off before I forget. But first, obviously, we got to get that 100% ROI, which we know from one of my previous videos, which is week 19 right here, my actual ROI calculation. We know that I have about 1.8 years or 1.7 years before we get that full 100% ROI. And then from there, oh my God, we're just adding more terahash. We're going to be adding terahash and adding terahash, And if you want to start mining some Bitcoin today, start stacking your Satoshis, start making this Bitcoin, getting that bell curve of rewards, hopefully not a bell curve. Hopefully you're getting, a parabolic straight up. That's what you want. Well, if so, my referral link will be down in the description below. You can get started today for literally 1 terahash at 20 watts a terahash for just $26.99. You'll be bringing in 1 penny a day, 58 cents a month, and $7.06 a year. Now, I know that seems very tiny. It's almost nothing. But guess what? If you're a big boy baller, you want to buy 5,000 terahash, put that thing at 15 watts a terahash, because you have 136,000 $2,372.99 to spare coming out your butthole, well, then you're going to be making $126.57 a day, $3,797.31 a month, and $46,264 a year doing nothing but just, making sure you click the service button. And of course, this is literally just at current rates. Remember, when Bitcoin goes to $150,000, well, guess what? You're actually going to be making, just over $75,500 a year, or daily, you're going to be making $200 a day. There's people that work hard physical construction jobs outside and during the insane heat, the blistering cold, making, $20 an hour for about 10 hours a day to get that $200. All you're doing is fuck all. You're going here and go, I'm going to click that button, I get my money, and we doing good. You can even do it with the fucking Down syndrome voice if you want. I just did it right there. It's fun. It's fun in games. It's literally fun in games, stacking these Satoshis. But of course, if we mentioned prior, if you do want to do that 20% discount and hold on to some GMT in your virtual wallet, well, you'll be making up to $233 a day or $85,500 a year. Up to 62% ROI. Not that much, nothing big, just a full-time paying job that even works full-time on the weekend. So yeah, of course, have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon. Remember, invest your money into something. Don't fucking waste it on stupid shit. Make your money work for itself. That's the way you do it. Have a good one. We'll see you soon.
Call me colossal, money coming to me like a bank. What the fuck you think? A loner like a castaway. Yeah, just call me Tom Hanks. Don't be a pencil neck. Fuck around and get